We both went to high school together and we both didn't complete, and now we both got the opportunity to do it again. Well, I had got off of work and I came home and told him about it, and we both agreed, let's do it. Give it a try. When you're growing up, you always think about the things that you can redo in your past, and that was always one of those things that I would redo. And so I actually got the opportunity.
That feel good.
It feels like I feel whole. Yeah, I feel complete. I did something right.
And it opened up a lot of doors, because a lot of jobs do them extensive background checks, and they want you to have them diplomas.
Well, my mother is out there, and she's very excited because, of course, she didn't get a chance to see her daughter graduate, and now she gets to see it. That's the biggest part to me. I mean, going through the process, of course, but having the opportunity to walk across the stage, it seals the deal. Just saying that I did it.
Mrs. Tommie. Mr. Tommie Shield.
This is an opportunity that I thought I would never get again. And so to be able to redo my past, it's amazing.